When he announced his retirement, Mohammad Yousuf brought the curtain down on a glittering 12-year career filled to the brim with unhurried elegance. Third on the all-time runs list in ODIs and second in Test cricket for Pakistan, Yousuf's career was not built just around imposing statistics. It was built around wristy stroke play, ballerina dancing down the pitch against spinners, and a distinctive stylishness which set him apart. Making his debut in February 1998, Yousuf was just a handful of Christians to play for the national side when he converted to Islam in 2005. After being part of the ODI side, which reached the final of the 1999 World Cup, Yousuf, along with Inzamam-ul Haq, gradually became the linchpin of the fragile Pakistani batting lineup. Averaging 53.07 per innings, Yousuf married style with substance to score 7,431 runs of 88 tests, while in the shorter version of the game, he amassed 9,634 runs at an average of 42.39. The highlight of his career, however, is unarguably breaking West Indian great Vivian Richards' record for most test runs in a single calendar year. He beat the Calypso Kings record by scoring 1,788 runs in 11 tests, including 9 centuries. When it came to retirements, 3 seemed to be his lucky number. Yousuf retired in 2007 after he was left out of the squad for the T20 World Cup. However, he came back only to get embroiled in the T20 fiascos surrounding IPL and ICL. The direct result of that incident led him to resigning for the second time. He came back to the fold to captain Pakistan on the disastrous tours of New Zealand and Australia. The last straw appeared to be the 10th March of this year, when the PCB banned Yousuf and Yunus Khan from playing for the national team indefinitely. Hurt by this final snub, Yousuf chose to hang up his gloves to bring an unfortunate close to a glittering career. Ahad Ali, Dawn News.